What's up, YouTube? Today I'm gonna bring you guys a quick little video. I'm gonna try to do this one real quick. I'm gonna show you guys how to install these TrueGlow TFOs on the M&P shield. I already got my side field stripped and everything. So yeah, let's get into it. So real quick, you guys are definitely gonna need a side pusher. I already went ahead and put the side in there. You want to get yourself a 15mm socket wrench, and this little plate you see here is from my old sites. I had the Macro like bullseye sights. There you go. So these are the sets right here. This is what they look like. So we'll go ahead and throw the rear ones on first. So let's go ahead and kind of fit these on real quick. I forgot to go over, you guys, there is a little screw that already comes in here. I kind of missed it. I thought we were gonna have to use the old screw, but no, that screw is supplied. So take care of that, don't lose that. These should come on a little bit more. So once you have it pretty much like that, then we'll throw it in the side pusher. Alright, you guys, we got all set up in the side pusher. So now let's just go ahead and crank it. Alright, y'all, so this is what the rear sight should look like. It's nice and center, so we can go ahead and put that rear screw in now. You can put Loctite if you'd like, but I don't have any at the moment, so just gotta make do with what I got. So yeah, that's in there. So we can go ahead and move on to the front sights now. Now for the front sight, this is optional, but you can use just a tiny drop of gun lube and on the console and put it on the dovetail, you know, just to lube it up, pause, and make it kind of just a little easier on yourself, man. But that's optional, you know what I mean? I am gonna go ahead and do that just so I could, you know what I mean? I'll make a little difference for sure. It's nothing crazy, you know what I mean? Just real light. So grab a front sight and just slip it in. Pause. Once you can't no more, right around there, we'll go ahead and put it on the front sight pusher. Alright, y'all, so I got it in the front sight pusher. Now I'm gonna just go ahead and do this with my hands real quick, and if I need to, I will use the wrench. Let's just see what's up right now, man. Alright, y'all, so when it's all said and done, as you can see, it's nice and even. Here's a side picture. So we can go ahead and put it back on the frame now. We'll check out the real finished product. Alright, y'all, so we went ahead and put it back on the frame now. And this is what the TFOs look like on the Shield 9mm. Yes, sir. These are pretty clean, honestly. I do rock with these. And if you guys want to see a little glow in the dark test, I got y'all. So we are completely in the dark. Check that out, man. TFOs. Yep, I fuck with these. But yeah, man, just a real quick video on how to throw on the TFOs. You know what I mean? I do rock with these sights, so I appreciate y'all for watching. I hope this helps you guys out. If you guys end up getting some for your Shield, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Peace.